So the Bucks are in 12 personnel, two tight ends close to the line. Um, this is going to be a run front basically, so the Chiefs will be in cover three. What it ends up looking like. They're going to send three receivers deep to press on those three guys covering deep. There'll be play action, which kind of sucks the linebackers in, as we've all seen. He has hook curl, he has hook curl. These guys have the flats, but no one will be in the flats. As the play kind of moves on, since he has hook curl, they'll kind of pass Gronk along. Watch the free safety, Sorensen. He's kind of pressured a little bit here. He's got some decisions to make. He's got all these guys pressing vertical. He's kind of not sure which one to do. It's a neat play design because Gronk will kind of break off his route abruptly and kind of veer over. It's not really a route name for this per se, but kind of goes over the top of the zone. And since they're in cover three, the cornerbacks have to take the receivers deep. There's a hole in the zone. He's wide open.